Hello and welcome to this video, where we combine the power of WhatsApp with intelligent automation tools in a practical, hands-on way. In today's video, we'll build what I consider one of the most powerful automations I've ever implemented, a sales assistant for an auto parts store. This chatbot automatically responds to customers on WhatsApp, sends prices, understands inquiries, and even logs new orders directly into Google Sheets. To build this automation, I'll be using the n8n platform. It's open source and available with a 14-day free trial. After that, you can deploy it using Docker and run it completely free on your own server. I'll also be using Wasender API, which is one of the most affordable and user-friendly WhatsApp API providers. Unlike other platforms that require lengthy approval processes and can take weeks, plus high setup fees and per-message charges, Wasender API allows you to get started within minutes. With Wasender API, you can activate WhatsApp API on your phone in just a few minutes, send and receive messages, and enjoy one of the lowest prices available online. There are no additional fees and no per-message charges, just $6 per month for a WhatsApp API instance. Not only that, but I'll walk you step by step through connecting the WhatsApp API to n8n so you can build a chatbot that works 24/7 without missing a single customer message. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build this exact automation yourself. You can also adapt it for other projects, or even offer automation services to your own clients. If you're serious about upgrading your workflow and building your first AI-powered sales assistant, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, we open the Wasender API platform and log in. As you can see, it's very simple and easy to use. The pricing is extremely affordable. $6 per month for one WhatsApp number, or $15 or $30 for higher tiers. There are no message fees. You simply pay the monthly subscription. After logging in with Google, we create a new session. I'll name it Sales Project. Select the country, enter the WhatsApp phone number, and enable the webhook notification option. Next, we move to n8n and create a webhook node to capture incoming WhatsApp messages. We set the HTTP method to post and copy the webhook URL. Then we go back to Wasender API, paste the webhook URL, enable the Messages Received option, and save. Within minutes, we've successfully set up WhatsApp API through Wasender API. We scan the QR code with the phone, and the platform provides us with an API key, which we'll use inside n8n. Back in n8n, we add an AI agent node and connect it to an HTTP request node that will send messages back to WhatsApp. We configure the request as post and use the API endpoint from Wasender API. We create new credentials using the API key we copied earlier. Now we can send and receive messages between n8n and WhatsApp. At this stage, the chatbot structure is ready, but it still needs a brain. That brain will be an OpenAI chat model. We also add simple memory so the bot can remember conversations between itself and the customer. After saving everything, the automation is technically ready, but we still need to map the incoming message data properly. We configure the AI agent to receive the message text from the webhook body and set the memory to track conversations using the customer's phone number. Then, in the HTTP request node, we map the required fields, to and text, so the bot can reply to the correct WhatsApp number with the AI-generated response. Once activated, we test it by sending a message like, "Hi." The automation runs, the AI agent processes the message, and the reply is sent back to WhatsApp successfully.
Now we integrate Google Sheets. I've created a Google Sheet with 3 tabs: Products, New Orders, Confirmed Orders. These sheets include fields like order ID, part name, quantity, and other relevant details. In n8n, we had Google Sheets nodes. The first one retrieves product data. The second appends new orders using the append row method. The third logs confirmed orders into a separate sheet. Most of the data is mapped dynamically from the AI agent, while the date field uses a now expression to automatically insert the current date. After arranging and saving the workflow, we test it again. When a customer sends a greeting, the bot responds professionally. When an order is placed, the details are automatically added to the appropriate Google Sheet. Finally, we add a system prompt to the AI agent. This prompt defines the chatbot's role. For example, you are a sales assistant for an auto parts store in USA. This ensures the AI responds according to the correct business context. I'll provide this prompt for free in the video description so you can use it yourself. And that's it. Today's automation is complete. It's a simple yet powerful WhatsApp sales assistant chatbot. As you've seen, it only takes a few minutes to set up. You can build this yourself using Wasender API and n8n. Let me know in the comments what type of automation you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.